It was good camp. It was one more good week. We did it what we wanted to do. He's always focused on the three things. On the mental way, we try to creating one team with a strong family feeling, with the feeling that everybody is important, that everybody has his role, that this is our team. It's not a team of one player, of one person, of one coach. This is our team that everybody need to feel this. On physical way, I think that we trained hard enough. Already third week, so the most of the players are getting better and better. And on technical, tactical way, we are just continuing on from the training one with basic ideas, with what need to be our football, with ball and without ball. So. And then I hope that we will continue on this positive way what we are doing in first 3 weeks.